Let's go. Oh god. Okay. If you guys don't remember, I played Granny Chapter 2 and I didn't know what to do. But, so, please, turn this down. Okay, I'm gonna play Extra Locks, Peaceful, Practice, whatever. Quality, High. Your game does not run smoothly. Try Okay, I'm gonna do try. Okay, well, because it's just creeping me out. And let's go. So I have watched videos of this, and I know that you can open the clock. And I put it on practice, so hopefully Granny's not here. I know she's not here. What am I thinking? Okay, so I'm not gonna be like freaked out as I was last time because I already know everything. Last time I basically couldn't find anything because I didn't know the secret. Day 1. 5 days, right? I think. I don't know. So there's basically no way I could possibly die. Tick, tick. What? Why? Okay. Oh. Well. Okay, what's this? Oh, upstairs. Don't want to go up there yet. Okay, so I know I can use a crowbar on this. And this room is pretty short. Let's not go down there yet. So I don't know why I'm so scared. I put this on practice. Oh, what is that? What is that? What is that? Guys, I'm terrified. Okay, well, let's look everywhere. That painting really creeps me out. Is there anything behind it? No, of course there's not. Okay. Dear, calm down. Calm down. There, it's on practice. No one is here. Okay. Oh yeah, but this needs a lock. Key. Never. Key. This is a key, not a lock. A key. Can I open this? Helicopter. There's a helicopter? How you get a helicopter? For real, a helicopter? What? That clock really freaks me out. Oh yeah, the clock. I can open this, can't I? There's nothing there. Please stop, clock. You're freaking me out. Can't I go in here? No, I can't. Let's not go up there. Pretty sure last time I played, I didn't go up there because I was too scared. What's that? Door lock. I don't need that. Oh my god, that scared me so. Feed the monster. Oh yeah, the monster. Well, yeah, but first you need to disable those. What is that? A spark plug. Pretty sure I can use that for the boat. Can't I? What does this need? safe key. Okay. It's like I checked everywhere. I'm just gonna, oh my god. Granny, tell your clock to, like, shut up, please. Tell your clock to shut up. Do you guys hear that? Do you guys hear that? Thank you everyone for playing. Like and comment on this video, please. Please tell me, does anyone know what that noise was? It was like heavy breathing, but there was no one in the... Should I be scared? Like, there was no one there. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all later. Bye.